Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we prepared. These are the girls that joined in this week: Patty's Polish Corner, Judinka Nail Art, and Girly Nails 66. Check the description box for links to their videos. As a base, I've already applied the Sinful colors called Anchors Away on 4 nails, and on my ring finger I applied Cosedora's blue stamping polish. This is the polish that I'm going to be using to stamp the design on my nails. I'll have links to all her products in the description box of this video. I pick up the same image and stamp it on all the nails. After cleaning up, I applied my Sally Hansen matte top coat, and here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the way it turned out. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!